Ryan, retain your guard. Get your guard back. Get your guard back.
Hands inside, Silas. Elbows in. Lock that hip, Right hand. Hold it. Black. Get a nice cross face. Cross face.
Cross face, eh?
He's got cramp. He's got cross face. Black out, pressure.
Try to stay inbound. Stop! Stretch across the body.
Ryan, get in more. Ryan, you got 2 minutes left.
Walk that around. You're gonna walk it in like that.
Here's your knee, Silas.
Lincoln Day to the head jiu-jitsu table. Lincoln Day to the head jiu-jitsu table.
Keep working, Silas. Keep working. Here you go. Triangle.
Ryan, you got hit. You got bridge. Yep. Again. Do it again.
Rusty Miller to the head jiu-jitsu table. Rusty Miller.
Ryan, you got a minute left. Ryan, you got a minute left. You got.
Reload up.
Your knees tight.
Fight.
Knees tight.
Put your left arm underneath. Let it up.
Ryan, you got 1 minute. You got.
Move back.
Take it back. Take it back. You got an arm triangle.
Ryan, get those grips off you. Go, go. You got go. You got to go, Ryan.
Triangle.
Ryan, you got to go. Ryan, you got 30 seconds. Ryan, you got 14 seconds. Ryan, up.
There we go.
Tap.
Fighters, shake hands. Fighters are ready. Fight. You gotta win at least 2. Good.
Go, go, go. Get in there. Get up to mount.
Take your left hand and push his elbow.
You can take the back if you want it. Oh my. Get up, get up. Get up.
Oh, let's go. Settle, settle.
Ryan,
Settle, Han, settle.
Ryan. Get the back.
Take your left hand, Han, and try to push up on his elbow. Push up on his elbow, Han.
Ortiz family to the head jiu-jitsu table. Ortiz family.
You're fine there. Try to get your left hand up on his elbow. Han, take that left hand and put it on his elbow. You're okay, Han. Stay patient. Take that hand that's on his back and put it on his elbow and try to push it off of you. Try to control his hand. You're okay. You're safe, Han. You're safe. Just stay patient. Try to keep clearing his arm. Okay, Han. You can put your eyes. Good job. Good job. Good job. Settle, Han. Settle. You need to settle here, okay? Take a second. Try to maintain your balance.
Fight.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let him move around. See what he's gonna do, Han. See what he's gonna do. Patient here.
You can push his elbow and take the back.
Stay patient, stay patient. Perfect. That was perfect. Good job, Han. You're doing great.
Ryan, try to.
Try to get that underhook again. There you
Ryan,
go.
get up on top.
Oh, perfect. Nice.
Get up.
Han, it's about now. Stay here.
Ryan, bridge. You got 40 seconds.
Take his back in his
Now work on your pass. Get his armor off of you. Yep. Go for it. Go for it. You got it. You got it.
Time in the back. Great fight, kid, gentlemen.
Winner by decision. Great fight, guys. Take back and forth. Shake hands. Fighters are ready. Fight. Fighters are ready. Fight. Fighters are ready. 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 Fighters are re
Lucha in Toledo, so I can't come to
It's all right. It's all right.
He can take his time if he needs to.
Ryan, work on your passing. Ryan, work on your passing.
Start bringing up that triangle. Bring this leg up.
Ryan, pass. Ryan, you got 2 minutes. Ryan, active. Go.
Take it back, pop your head out.
Right, get up, get up, get up. Take the back. Hips, hips. Climb, you gotta climb if you're gonna take the back.
You're fine. Just pull out, pull out. There he is. Pull out, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up from there, dude.
You got it, Ryan. Right, you got
Stand up from there. You're fine.
pull it, pull it,
You're fine.
pull it.
Just pull out from there, dude. Circle towards his head. Go around towards his head. Step over. There you go. You're fine, dude. You're fine.
Up, you got it.
He can't
Pull it,
finish
pull it, pull it. Pull it, yep.
Brian, get your feet on the inside.
Watch those arms side. Oh, there you go. You got it, girl.
Keep moving here. Don't be flat.
Keep moving, Ryan.
Take your shoulder back underneath his jaw. There you go.
Ryan, fight for an underhook. Try to get your left arm under. Bump him first so he's off balance.
Left arm one.
Drag all the way to your shoulder.
There you go. Any pose. Heavy. Heavy.
Ryan, bridge.
Heavy.
Pay attention to his knee line, buddy. Don't let him get his knee out.
Keep going.
Heavy. Stay heavy side.
Don't you want to get to that shoulder. Get your face center. Flat. Make it flat.
Fight those hands inside.
Let his left arm up with your right hand. Yes, let it up. Let it up.
Ryan, get your grips in a position where you can push. That's better. Fight your hand inside now. You can get your underhook. Underhook, underhook.
Underhook, Ryan.
Left side. There you go. Now turn it into a wrestling scramble. Get your underhook again.
There you go, son. What's that? Left hand cross face. Left hand cross face. Shoulder pressure. There you go. Pump it on your toes. Draw your weight to chest, shoulder.
His knee line's out. We got to be careful here. Quit rolling again. Ryan, you can't use your grips to pull. You're making it harder.
Ryan.
Go.
Ryan.
Push him.
Push, push, push away. Ryan, you got 2 minutes, Ryan. Ryan, you got 2 minutes. Get ready to move, Ryan. I need you to move.
If that foot comes out, you scramble immediately, okay?
Ryan, you got 2 minutes. You gotta move, Ryan.
Go,
Go, Ryan, go, Ryan, go. Go. Ryan, you got a bridge. You gotta keep moving. Keep moving. Ryan, you gotta keep moving.
All right, hey, we gotta get our hands on the hips. Don't hug them. Hands on the hips, hands on the leg, and go.
Go, Ryan. You got 1 minute 30.
Minute 20.
Bridge.
Yeah, good bump. Do that
Again.
Push his leg. Bump the hip stage.
Right now.
Right there.
Let him climb. Bump him off balance.
Ryan, you gotta get him off balance. You gotta move, Ryan. You gotta move.
Come back inside.
Right there.
Yep, yep.
Watch the back. Hey,
Ryan, you
got
gotta move.
2 seconds. Let's get out of there, buddy. Use your leg.
Back again, take it back.
Focus on his hips and his legs. We're trying to break them out.
Got the hip, got the chest on. Heavy pressure.
Ryan, you got 50 seconds. You gotta move. You gotta
Bump, and then go.
go, Ryan. You gotta go.
Elbows in. Elbows to knees together.
Ryan, you gotta go. Ryan, you gotta go. You got 30 seconds.
Let's have one last
Ryan,
kick
come
out,
on. Ryan, come on.
We gotta go.
You gotta move, Ryan.
Neck, but he
You
doesn't
gotta
have
move, Ryan. You gotta move.
risk here. Take a risk. Don't grab
You gotta
your
move,
hands.
Ryan.
Grab your hands. Use your hands here. Push.
Ryan, just let go. Come on, let's go.